In this video series, I'm going to be sharing with you my current Korean skincare routine while I'm out here in Korea, starting with this light face cleansing oil and foaming cleanser by The Face Shop. Both of these best-selling cleansers are part of their Mikamsu or Rice Water Bright series, and as the name implies, features natural ingredients like rice water and rice bran, which both contain vitamins and minerals that give your skin this nice, soft, and bright appearance. To do a successful double cleanse, we're going to start with the oil-based cleanser, which is going to remove things like sunscreen, makeup if you wear it, and sebum that builds up on your face overnight. And then we're going to follow it up with the foaming cleanser, which is a water-based cleanser to further cleanse your skin. One important detail to get the most out of your double cleanse is that when using the oil-based cleanser, first you want to apply it to your skin while it's dry and then wash it off with lukewarm water. And then after you've washed it off with lukewarm water, you want to apply the water-based foaming cleanser, again with lukewarm water. And then you want to end with cold water to reseal your pores. Here we go. Oil-based. That should be good. I'm gonna work it into your skin. You really don't need too much of this stuff. I usually use like half of a squirt or one squirt. Now I rinse it off. Now for the foaming cleanser. Like that should be good. Don't forget to get the neck as well. Rinsing step. And finally, we pat dry with a towel. And there you have it. Just like that, we are done with our double cleansing step and we're ready to move on with the rest of our routine. And I'm really excited to share this skincare routine with y'all because I've literally gathered all of the best-selling stuff that I can find in the country. But if you're looking for a gentle oil and water-based cleanser to perform a successful double cleanse that uses all natural ingredients that will make your skin feel soft and bright before you even move on to the rest of your skincare routine, then pick up this series from The Face Shop and you're going to be set. Alright, now that we have just finished the double cleansing step of our Korean skincare routine, we're going to move on to the toner step using the Anua Heartleaf 77% Soothing Toner. This is the #1 best-selling toner out here in Korea and is so popular that when I visited the major Olive Young store in Myeongdong, they had a dedicated shelf of just this toner. As the name implies, the main ingredient in this toner is heartleaf extract, which has a calming and soothing effect for your skin and reduces the appearance of redness very, very quickly. This toner is also slightly acidic with a pH level of 5.5 to 6, which helps with regulating the oil production on your skin while also moisturizing it. Since it moisturizes and increases the water content of the outermost layer of your skin, it makes your skin more receptive to subsequent products that you apply and therefore makes it a great first step before you go on to the rest of the steps in your skincare routine. To use it, we're simply going to open it up, apply it to our palm, and then just pat it onto our face. When using the toner, always pat it on, and if you're going to work into the skin, don't press too hard against your face because you always want to be gentle with the skin on your face. I normally put like 1 to 2 applications on my palm and then just work it in the skin. Also, don't forget to apply it to your neck. And there you go. Just like that, we are done with the toner step of our Korean skincare routine and we're ready to move on to applying our essence. And as you can see, after just doing a double cleanse and applying the toner, my skin is looking pretty good already. But as we move through the rest of those steps in the Korean skincare routine, it's going to look even better and you're going to get that glass skin effect. So if you're looking for a toner to add to your skincare routine, don't overthink it too much. Just pick up the #1 best-selling toner in Korea and you're going to be set. We've just finished the toning step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea. And now we're going to move on to applying our essence, specifically using the famous CosRX Snail Mucin essence. This essence has gone viral on various social media platforms multiple times and is a consistent bestseller for very good reasons. Though at first it may sound like a very strange product to apply to your face, when you break it down, Snail Mucin contains a lot of collagen, elastin, glycolic acid, and allantoin, which when combined together ends up improving your skin elasticity while also having a soothing effect, moisturizing your skin, and fighting acne breakouts. Also, if you've never used skincare products with Snail Mucin before, then you might be reassured to know that it is highly refined and processed Snail Mucin, so it's not the same as just having a live snail crawl against your face. So you don't have to worry about any kind of bacterial infections or germs or things like that. To apply it, we're simply going to take the cap off, squirt a small amount into our palm, and then gently massage it into our face. I usually use 2 squirts to cover each half of my face, and then a little bit more in order to apply it to my neck as well. So here we go. Just like that. And as you can see, it does still maintain a bit of the mucin-like texture. So you don't want to go across your face. You want to just go kind of vertically. This. other side. And then finally, extra squirt for the neck. And there you have it. Just like that, we are done applying our essence, and we're going to move on to our eye cream step. As we go along, you can see that my skin is looking nicer and nicer, and it's going to keep doing so as we continue moving along and I show you the remaining best-selling Korean skincare products. So if you're looking for an incredible skincare product to add to your routine that uses very natural ingredients and truly will benefit your skin all around, then pick up this Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence by Cosrx, and you're going to be set. We've just finished applying our essence as part of our Korean skincare routine now here in Korea, and now we're going to move on to the eye cream step using the Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick by the same. This eye stick is really popular both here in Korea and worldwide because it does a really good job at reducing the appearance of dark eye circles, eye wrinkles, and puffiness with its combination of ingredients like Iceland mineral water, xylitol, and niacinamide. To use it, we're simply going to remove both of the caps, unwind it, kind of like a lipstick or lip balm, and then very gently apply it underneath and around our eyes. And then from there, I like to use my fingertips to massage the solution further. Just like this. It's also a very interesting experience to use because it does feel like an eye stick, so it has this nice soothing effect as you use it on your eyes. It should be pretty good. And then from there, just use middle fingers. It does go like this a little bit. And there you have it. Just like that, we are done with our eye cream step and we're ready to move on to our serum. So if you're looking for a refreshing eye stick to add to your daily skincare routine and reduce the appearance of those pesky dark eye circles and puffiness, then pick up the Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick for yourself today. You're going to be set. We've just finished the eye cream step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to move on to our serum step using one of my all-time favorites, the Dr. Chart Kpop Serum. As the name implies, the key ingredient in the serum is cica, which has a calming and soothing effect when applied to your skin, which effectively reduces redness and also helps fight acne breakouts. To use it, we're simply going to unscrew the cap, take out the serum dropper thing, and then we're going to apply half of the squirt to one half of our face, massage it in with our hand, and then apply the remaining half to the other side and do the same thing using the remains on our neck. Feels really nice against the skin, and you get that calming and soothing feeling almost instantly. I'm just gonna put it directly in my palm, then apply the neck. And there you have it. Just like that, we are now done with our serum step, and we're going to move on to an extra hydration step that I like to do. So if you're looking for a great simple serum to add to your skincare routine to help with fighting acne breakouts and redness on your skin, then pick up the Dr. Chart Kpop Serum for yourself today, and you're going to be set. We've just finished the serums and treatment step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to move on to an extra hydration step using the 92% aloe vera gel by Nature Republic. Being made of real aloe vera, it has an awesome hydrating effect for your skin and is one of the things that will really help you with achieving that poreless glass skin look. To use it, we're simply going to unwind the lid, take off the secondary lid, and I actually usually like to scoop part from the lid instead of putting my hands directly in solution. So here we go. Just like that. Feels really nice against the skin on your face. You can always just feel your skin relaxing like instantly. This is an aloe vera gel. You can also apply excess to other parts of your skin as well. It's not exclusive to your face, and it will benefit your skin wherever you apply it. And there you have it. Just like that, we are now done with our hydration step, and we're ready to move on to our moisturizer step. So if you're looking for some high quality aloe vera gel to add to your skincare routine to both moisturize and soothe your skin, then pick up this 92% aloe vera gel from Nature Republic, and you're going to be set. We just finished the extra hydration step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to move on to our moisturizing step using my favorite B7 Toning Bright Cream by Dr. Jart. This cream is one of my favorites because it not only moisturizes your skin, but it visibly makes it brighter instantly, and you're going to see that for yourself in a sec. To use it, we're going to unscrew the lid, take some of it out using this spatula that's included with the Toning Bright if it's an authentic product, and then we're going to dab it onto our face and then massage it into our skin gently with our fingers. Here we go. As you can see, it's quite a thick cream, so you don't want to scoop too much, just a little bit will do. Maybe like that first. Maybe a little bit more, but just work in dabs instead of getting a big scoop, because if you get too much, it's quite powerful. I'm just gonna massage it in. And there you have it. Just like that, we are now done with our moisturizing step and we are ready to finish things off with our sunscreen. As you can see, immediately after applying it, my skin is visibly brighter and lighter than before. So if you're looking for a high quality moisturizer for your skincare routine that will not only keep your skin moisturized, but also visibly make it shinier, brighter, and fresher looking, then pick up the V7 Toning Bright Cream by Dr. Jart, and you're going to be set. We just finished the moisturizing step of our Korean skincare routine out here in Korea, and now we're going to finish things off using the Lab Series All-in-One Defense Lotion. This All-in-One Defense Lotion not only has 35 SPF to act as a sunscreen, but it moisturizes your skin even further and allows it to retain the hydration that we've added throughout all the other steps within this Korean skincare routine, and effectively just seal things off. To use it, we're simply going to open the cap, apply it to our palm like so, and then just dab it onto our face and massage things in gently. Here we go. Always massage on your face very gently. Do not apply too much pressure on your face skin. Don't forget the neck. The neck is very important and is very easily to get sunburned if you forget to apply there. And there you have it. With this final touch, we have now completely completed our Korean skincare routine, and our skin is looking nice and shiny, and smooth, and hydrated. So if you're looking for a sunscreen to use as the final step in your skincare routine that is not only going to protect your skin from the sun's rays, but moisturize it further and maximize hydration, then pick up the Lab Series All-in-One Defense Lotion for yourself today and start enjoying amazing looking skin.